In the run-up to the municipal corporation polls in Bengaluru this weekend, the chorus is growing stronger from residents that civic issues of the city need to be set right. HBR layout in Bengaluru is one such area which, despite being the State Home Minister's constituency, is a case of neglect when it comes to its civic amenities. On Citizens' Voice today, Lakshmi Sivadas is gathering voices from residents of HBR layout.
I'm here in HBR layout, which is part of Home Minister KJ George's constituency. It is also in proximity to some of the most prime areas in the city, including Manyata Tech Park and the airport. One would think the residents here are pretty satisfied with the way the area is kept. Unfortunately, they are not. So what is their biggest gripe about the region? I have the Resident Welfare Association members here with me. Mr. Sadiq, why don't you start with the stormwater drain situation here?
If you can see here, we can see that the dam, a kind of dam is built and the nets are put. And this water drain is connected to about 2-3 areas of Bangalore, like RT Nagar and our HBR and Goindpur and this other main Tanner Road and all this. The whole stormwater drainage comes into this, and this is the main line getting connected into the other part of say HBR's other second drainage. But what we have, the engineers, what they have done, they have come up to here. If you see, if the camera, can you show the camera, saying that this has been built up to here. And then the water drainage from here, I don't know where, I mean, kind of engineering it is. If you see this other part, it has no flow to go. And what happens, we are being in the low level of the HBR, this, especially the third block, the layout, we are in a lower division, and this whole water storms into our houses.
Apart from that, I've also noticed there's a lot of garbage dumping in the stormwater drains. Mr. Anand, could you tell me how that started?
How started? There is a contractor to collect door-to-door garbage every day. And some people who get up late in the morning and they see the contractors are already gone, they simply take wherever there is a vacant place, they will dump. And sometimes they dump even in this drain also.
Since 6 years we are trying to every department to clean the sewage water and other things. They are not coming at all. Just they are coming and telling that tomorrow we are coming, tomorrow we are coming. I don't know when tomorrow is coming.
So you're seeing a lot of cases of dengue and other infections because of this?
Yeah, that's there. I'm staying on the main road itself, and for the past 6 months it is waterlogged because of dumping on some places in the garbage. And then I've been after this association as well as directly to the corporation engineers, but they say they don't have funds to correct it. Although the contractor who has built the main road recently, about a year back, he was supposed to do the side drains also, but he left it halfway. And now it is in a very bad shape and it's full of water, and mosquitoes are breeding and black water.
So finally, we'd also like to talk about the roads here. They don't seem to be very good. Parts of the roads are tarred, some of them are not. Why not?
Our judge, the Home Minister, he fought with the government, and in 2012 he got a sanction of 43 crores. And the work was supposed to be completed in 6 months, but they started in January 2013, but so far the work has not been completed. Even what the work they have done, it is a very shabby work. And as regards the 80 feet road, our the Home Minister in the year 2009, he made a box-type stormwater drain in order to help the people. After making the drain, they didn't care about the road. They left the road as it is. They left the shoulder drains and no footpath, nothing.
ಈ ಜಾಗ ಬಂದು ನಾವು ಕುಡಿಯೋ ನೀರು ಜಾಗ. ಈ ಜಾಗ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೋಡಿ, ಆ ಪೈಪಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಕುಡಿಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಸ ಹಾಕೋ ಜಾಗ, ಅದಕ್ಕಂತ ಒಂದು ಜಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ. ಈ ರೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರು ಬಂದರೆ, ಮಳೆ ಬಂದರೆ ನೀರು ಹೋಗೋಕೆ ಒಂದು ಜಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆ ಮೋರಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಆದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಫುಲ್ ನೀರು ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಕಚರಾ ನೀರು. ಆ ಟಾಯ್ಲೆಟ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಗಲೀಜಾಗಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಒಳಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಕೇಳೋರು ಯಾರೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಮಾಡೋರು ಯಾರು ಇಲ್ಲ. ಕಸ ಎತ್ತಕ್ಕೆ ಡೈಲಿ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಯಾರು ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬಂದ್ರೂ ಅವ್ರು ಬಂದರೆ ರೋಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ತಾರ್ ರೋಡ್ ಹಾಕಿದಾರೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬಂದು ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋದು. ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರೋದು ಇಲ್ಲ, ನೋಡೋದು ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಯಾರ ಹತ್ರ ಕೇಳೋದು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಲೈನಾಗಿ ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ಬರಾಗಿ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ನನಗಾಕಿ ಶುದ್ಧ ಇದು ರೋಡ್ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅದು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಯಾರು ಮಾಡೋನು ಯಾವನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ.
So for how many years have you been fighting for all these facilities, and what has been the response from the BBMP?
First of all, when I came to this area, I came in 2002. At that time, the BDA, without developing the area properly, they handed over to the CMC Batrayanpura. It remained in Batrayanpura till 2007. And then the BBMP was abolished. When the next elections were held in 2008, the new corporators came. They did some work, but they didn't do major works.
So with the elections around the corner, do you think there's going to be any improvement in the situation?
I don't think so. Because so far, from generation to generation, it is passing. But I don't think so it is going to complete.
I'm here with the residents of HBR Layout 3rd Block RWA who have been complaining about some basic sanitation facilities within their neighborhood. They hope that the BBMP will take a look at it now that the elections are around the corner.